crocheters, I am making this beautiful Mosaic heart headband ear warmer thing, and I am trying to add this crab stitch little border trim on there. And so I need to add it to the bottom here, and I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to show you how to do the crab stitch, which is also known as the reverse single crochet. Okay, something interesting about this stitch is that it's basically just a single crochet stitch, but you're working it in reverse. So I'm right-handed, and I work my stitches from right to left. But when you do the reverse single crochet, when you do the crab stitch, it's working from left to right, sort of like you're reading. It's just like a backwards single crochet stitch. Because I did the foundation single crochet, this basically acts as a single crochet stitch upside down, so I can use both of these loops for my stitch. I'm going to grab my yarn that I have, just a bit left. Hopefully I don't have to play yarn chicken. I'm going to start here at the seam, and I'm just going to insert my hook, and then I'm going to chain one here. Okay, and then what we got to do is do a reverse single crochet. So if I was doing a single crochet, I would work this way and go into this stitch and work a single crochet. However, we're doing it backwards. So it's this stitch right here. I insert my hook, pull up a loop, and now I have two loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through both of those too. Okay, that is just basically a single crochet, but we're doing it in reverse. Okay, and then now I'm going to go to the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And the next one, it's this stitch. So I just go to the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And then what it does is it adds this fun kind of little, it's kind of like a little twisted ribbing. Just add some really fun texture on there. Let me know if you have any questions about this crab stitch or this reverse single crochet stitch. Sometimes if it's not looking quite right, what I have to do is I have to pull out a stitch or two, because if your yarn splits or if you just get it a little bit off with your layering a little bit, then the stitch does look a little bit funky. So just keep that in mind. If you have any other tips or tricks, leave them in the comments below and let me know. Have you ever used this stitch before, and what will you be using it on? Are you going to add some trim on an ear warmer like me? Or are you going to use it for edging on a baby blanket, washcloth? Let me know down in the comments. And if you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with other crocheters. Hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, guys.